Welcome to another low effort review. Last week I purchased this ROG Ally for myself, kind of on impulse, and you know what? I really like it. I've only had it a week. Windows is clunky to say the least, but it is a great handheld. I needed something to relax. I'd been feeling stressed, so I picked this up, and it's great. I love this thing. Even if Windows is annoying, it's great. Now, why didn't I get a Steam Deck? Steam Deck's just not available in Australia, not easily. So, enough of that. This video is actually about an accessory. This case. This is the T Tersely ROG Ally case. So, I got this on Amazon for about, I don't know, about 20, 30 AUD. It was pretty cheap. So, we'll just unpack it here. Well, that's done. That was easy. This is the case. It's, well, we'll compare it to the Ally in a second. So we'll just give it an unzip. And there it is. It's very simple. You just see how this opens. Is this like that? Oh, Velcro. Okay. So, okay, that's not supposed to be Velcro like that. So that goes flat onto the Ally, I think. Like that. I think so. So we just drop the console in, and I think that like that, and it lies nice and smooth on it. That and this little front pouch for whatever accessory I guess you want to put in there. You can't really stick much in there. There's not a lot of clearance. They sell a bigger one for the charger. I just really don't want to lug a charger with me. I'm going to bring a charger. It's going in a backpack. It's not going in this little case. It's going in its own little pocket or something somewhere else. And I'll probably bring something for my phone and this, not just its dedicated charger. So overall, I'll give it a little close. And it's quite compact. For comparison, I'll grab a Nintendo Switch. And we'll just compare it to that. So, here it is, compared to a Nintendo Switch. So, that's how much bigger this case is compared to a Nintendo Switch. Yeah, that's it. That's all you're getting from me. It seems to do the job, and I'll put a link to the product in the description. Again, this is an Australian review. Don't know if this is available outside, but decent case, seems to do the job.